be showing you how you can do a wheelie on the bike for a short amount of time, and it can go longer over time. Okay, so step one, you don't want to be going really fast. So let me show you how the right speed you should be going at. This is about the speed. Next thing, when you go up, you want to put force into it, like go backwards. Let me show you. You see how I put force into that to go backwards? That's what you gotta do. Now, trick number 3, and the last trick is, if you look closely, when I was doing that, you can't see it here, what I was doing is, when I lifted up the bike, I was pedaling forward. So, whichever is your dominant foot, for me it's my left, you pedal forward with that foot, and then go back, and then you'll be able to stay up for longer. Let me demonstrate. Let me demonstrate how it is if you don't do that. So this is what happens if you don't do that. You don't go very high. And, you go high, but you don't do it for long. Now the difference is pretty obvious. But if you didn't see it, let me show you. See, look, there, I didn't go high, but I went for a longer amount of time. So that's how you can do a wheelie. And you can get better and better at it over time. Thanks for watching.